Hello, Homo sapiens! Hope you are doing good. If not, no worries. Just take what comes, because table turns on someday for sure. So let us continue with our mapping marathon series. As of now, we are done with coastal features. Now let us start with islands. You are watching Fun with Geo channel. We come with interesting videos related to static and contemporary geographical events and sometimes inspirational videos too. Without any delay, let's get started. Islands of India can be categorized into four groups: Western Coast, Lakshadweep Islands, islands on the eastern coast, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. In this video, we are going to cover islands on the western coast. First point is Pirotan Island. It is located in the Jamnagar district of Gujarat, off the coast located 22 kilometers away from Bedi Port. And it is also the part of Marine National Park. It homes mangroves and low tide beaches, and the island is also famous for Dargah, which is related to Holy Saint Khwaja Kizar. Next is Omkareshwar Island. It is also known as Shivapur Island. It is named after its shape, which looks like Om symbol, which can be easily observed from this figure. And it is located in the Narmada River and Omkareshwar temple dedicated to God Shiva. Our next point is Alia Bhat. It is not Alia Bhat, it is Alia Bhat, which is an island in Gujarat, located in the Gulf of Kambat or the Gulf of Cambay between the estuaries of Narmada and Tapi. It has rich deposits of oil and natural gas and also helped in the promotion of Bharuch as a seaport. Dominant economic activities are fishing, banana cultivation, cultivation of coconut and vegetables. And this island homes a village called Andariyo, where there is no light since more than 150 years. Next is Salseti Island, which is located in Maharashtra and bordered by Vasai Creek in the north, Ulhas River in the northeast, Thane Creek in the east, and Arabian Sea in the south and west. It is one among the most densely populated islands in the world because it homes busy metropolis of Bombay. Famous Sanjay Gandhi National Park is located in this island, and industries such as cotton, textile, heavy machinery, chemical industry, and Bollywood industry is located here. Next is Butcher Island, which is located in Maharashtra in the vicinity of Elephanta Islands. Here you can observe the Butcher Island, and here it is Elephanta Islands. It is also called Jawahar Dweep. The story behind its name is British started slaughtering of goats and sheep in this island away from the main city of Bombay, and hence it is called Butcher Island. It has oil terminal and crude oil is also stored in the containers on this island. From this island, they are piped to Wadala in Bombay, where they are refined. But the unrestricted expansion of Bombay is polluting the environment of this island. With this, we are done with most of the islands on the western coast. And let's continue our discussion in our next videos. Finally and obviously, if you like this video, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.